Most companies don't have a talent problem. They have a coordination problem. You've got smart people, strong leaders, a clear strategy, but things still break down. Misalignment, missed expectations, conversations that never actually resolve anything. That's because performance isn't created by talent alone. It's created by how your team thinks, communicates, and commits to each other. Most team building activities don't fix that. They create a moment, but not a team transformation. Our team experiences are different. We give your team a first-hand experience of high performance in action through real-time challenges that reveal how your team communicates, coordinates, and executes. And then we give your team the language and structure to transform. Because when your team builds care, clarity, commitment, coordination, and creation, performance stops being inconsistent and becomes predictable. This isn't just team building, it's how high-performance teams are built. If you're ready to stop managing breakdowns and start creating results, let's talk.